Good evening, everybody. September 15th, 2021. Bulls had a really nice push today, and so it is now the Bulls to lose. We had a little bit of an extension here, so this is our fifth wave, I think, right there, and we should be entering pullback zone now, I would imagine. So that finished off our little third wave here that we were looking for. The bearish XYZ that we were looking for, or WXY rather, sorry, bearish WXY that we were looking for has a possibility to still play out, although realistically this has gone a little bit higher than probably it should have for that, but I'm going to keep it on the chart for now because the bulls need to give us the rest of this fourth and fifth wave in order to say that the bottom is in. So what I'm going to do though is update this, since this went one fib higher here up to the 1764, then we can update our support up by a fib. So anywhere in this box is ideal for the fourth wave now. So between 46.8 and 47.3 is where this pullback should hold, and then we can update this by a fib as well, and new target then becomes 49 to 49.6. So if we can get this playing out fully, where we come down here and support in this zone and then come up here, we're going to be looking in really good shape. Realistically, the 618 is what we really need to keep a close eye on. Below that is bad, and I mean really, since we went one fib higher, we really should be even looking at the 764. Breaking 46.2 would be bad, so I'm going to put a rectangle here, right, that basically this zone here absolutely needs to hold. If we start coming down into this zone, then the bullish impulsive potential is gone. We could still go up in a diagonal, but that makes things more difficult to deal with. So let's see, what color should I do for this? Let's just make it like orange, like a warning zone, basically. Like, definitely don't want to go into this orange zone here. All right, so there are the parameters that we're looking for going forward, and my plan still, I mean, I might try, it's not a bad idea to try a little scalp, since this did do so well here. We could try buying some Bitcoin between 46.7 and 47.3, scalp that up to the 49 to 49.6 area. It's not a scalp long, or not a bad place for a scalp long, but after that, this then will make up our first wave, and we should then see a pullback of some sort, either a pullback or a consolidation, like in a triangle, something along those lines. It could, of course, extend a little bit higher, but basically once this fifth wave is in place, there should be some sort of consolidation or retrace or something in order to let us get in after that. But I think, like I said, this zone here is not a bad place to try if you feel like being a scalper on this, and then I would place stops below this zone here that we've been talking about. So I think I'll go ahead and try to do that on my account, and we'll see if that holds. If not, then we are looking at the W, X, and Y instead. And what that means, probably if this zone breaks, if we come down here, then we are probably continuing down even further from that area. So very important area here to hold. Ideally we hold this green zone, but definitely don't want to go through the orange. All right, I think that's pretty much the update on Bitcoin for tonight. I'll see y'all tomorrow.